with y'all? It's the Ghoul 247 back with another video, and today I'm actually picking up from the meet. So it's actually the same day as the last video, but I'm meeting up with some of the boys from the Street Alliance. I guess they have a race lined up, so I'm at the gas station right now meeting up the fellas. Some new people out here. They just pulled up. That's why I was looking around, but it's some new people. I see my boy Kevin over there, but I don't know these other people. But yeah, y'all stay tuned to the video. I don't know where this one gonna take us, but we outside tonight, and then from there, who knows? So y'all stay tuned. Alright, out here with the fellas now. About to take a trip to Mexico tonight, of course. Then we got a few runs in us. Got some more people over there. But I'm not too sure who's running who. But we'll be in Mexico shortly, so. Oh, this Corvette. Cash runs only. Steps down to Mexico. All the fellas out here. What the fuck is that? So what's the race? What car is racing?
We got m340 and the x3m. See what's up?
I think it's that one right there. And the m340, I believe. I think it's these two. Yeah, the first two. Yeah, good ass race. They ain't been out of Mexico so long. It's good to catch up with all the fellas. Mind you, I really don't get out at all. This year has been one of the one and only years that I didn't go out at all to Mexico. Maybe if I did, it had to be the early part of the year, like January, February. Other than that, this is like the first time. And the year's almost up, so it's good to catch up with fellas. Come out to Mexico. But yeah, this is about to be a good race shape.
No, I got from the school, right? was on E, I would. I wouldn't be scared to run that motherfucker.
Trying to figure out the cars coming up behind them. God, I seen blue lights for a second. Yeah, they crossed. Fuck. Yeah, he went another lane. Fuck.
We literally talked about that. Something I did mention. I did. Something I did mention. I will say. Unfortunately,
It didn't affect him though.
did you jump?
Huh? Nuh-uh. It didn't affect him at all. I was gone.
Trying to see if they can run it back now. Yeah, let them run it back. You don't want to take no win like that. That'd be some bullshit. Yeah, that's some bullshit though. They need to run it back though.
Yeah, no
He did cross though, but still.
I was like,
Too much power.
Yeah. Damn.
I ain't gonna say too much power.
my car just went like straight to the left when I hit it. I don't even know why I did that shit. They ain't never did that shit.
I mean, just see what mine for.
Bullshit, bro.
Here's the thing. As far as like side bets, that's the biggest thing. If side bet, if you're trying to go on side bets, you gotta figure out who's paying. We gotta find out who's the winner, who's the loser.
Man, as of right now, I don't have Chad. I can send you the thing, but like that's straight. If you just want to run it back.
I mean, we all know each other, so we paid on the bottom.
I'll give it to you. I just make sure it's Michael Belly.
Okay.
Get paid or something.
Yeah. I don't know who that is. I don't know who else. I don't know anybody else. I don't think so.
You got most money on side bet. $100?
I got 50.
Be for real, y'all. We say for side bet purposes, I mean, they could settle and say they don't pay each other, but for side bet purposes, we need it. All I know, loser, huh?
Why don't they be?
I mean, he's willing to pay Dylan though, but
I just want to get it right.
No,
Yeah.
that's fair.
Yeah.
Like I think.
Yeah, that's fine.
I feel like if you go fair for big, then obviously $100.
Yeah.
Make it
Yeah.
fair race.
Yeah.
Obviously get good race.
Yeah. I don't know why my car didn't say that. That shit, I'm gonna just bring that.
All right, so made it back to the house. So the first race, the M340 actually lost, and the pot was only $100, so he ended up having to pay that. The second race, the x3m got gapped, but he did sleep at the line, so I think they ended up breaking even. I'm not sure if they upped their pot for the second race or not, but yeah, everybody had a good time. I got to see the fellas. It's been forever, so that's gonna do it for this video. Y'all like, comment, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. So until next time, I'm out.